How to use iMessage on Windows 10. Getting iMessage to work on home Windows 10 could seem unimaginable, however there are some methods to get it operating. Here is how. Once you work on a home Windows system all day lengthy, it may be fairly annoying to unlock your iPhone each time you get a brand new iMessage notification. Fortuitously, regardless of Microsoft and Apple apps hardly ever enjoying nicely collectively, you possibly can enter iMessage on home Windows and save yourself plenty of time. Learn how to run iMessage on home Windows 10? Theoretically, iMessage just isn't supported with home Windows 10. Nevertheless, you should utilize home Windows supported distant entry apps to run iMessage as a substitute. That method, you needn't fear about making an attempt to get home Windows and iMessage to get together with each other. Methodology 1. Utilizing Chrome Distant Desktop. You should use iMessage online by putting in Chrome Distant Desktop. You have to your home Windows PC, a macOS system as a number, and an iPhone because the supply messaging system. The technique right here is to go away the Mac system operating and entry it remotely from a home Windows 10 PC. This technique is very helpful when you do not have your MacBook around and also you wish to entry your messages. The connection to your MacBook stays open even if you happen to shut the Google Chrome browser in your Mac OS system. First, open the Google Chrome Internet browser and set up Chrome Remote Desktop on each the Mac and the home Windows 10 PC. On the Mac, you'll be requested for authorization. Permit the extension to be put in. After setup, you will notice a Get Began button. Click on it to obtain the Chrome Distant Desktop host software program. Open Chrome Distant Desktop on Mac once more and click on Allow Distant Connections button. You'll be required to create a PIN or password to entry one other display screen on home Windows. Now open the Chrome Distant Desktop on home Windows 10 with the identical account you could have created on Mac and discover the distant Mac. Click on it and select Begin Display Screen Sharing. You'll now have entry to your Mac, on which you'll be able to open iMessage and use it as you want. Methodology 2. Utilizing iPodian Emulator. iPodian Emulator might be termed as top-of-the-line platforms to make use of iMessage on home Windows PC. The device is completely free and lets you entry all restricted iOS apps together with iMessage. To start out, obtain iPodian Emulator from the website in your home Windows PC. Run the emulator as soon as the setup is accomplished. Throughout setup, click on the field to settle for all phrases and situations and proceed. As soon as accomplished, the iPodian app will open. Observe that it solely runs on full display screen. Now seek for the iMessage app within the search bar and you'll benefit from the unique options of iMessage in your home Windows PC. Methodology 3. Utilizing Cloud Service Cydia. One other strategy to obtain iMessage on home Windows is through the use of Cydia. Earlier than going additional with this device, make sure that your home Windows and the iOS system are linked with the identical Wi-Fi. Observe that you will want to pay $4 to entry iMessage in your home Windows system. Go to cydiafree.com in your iOS system and obtain Cydia. After the setup, open Settings and go to Common to permit a brand new profile creation. You'll have to create a username and password. Now, open the online browser in your PC, and below the Allow tab, enter the IP deal with. Choose Enter and replenish the username and password to finish the setup. Now, you are prepared to attach on iMessage for home Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.